Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so happy to share with you another beautiful, very useful glam creation, a budget-friendly nail polish storage unit. For this Dollar Tree DIY you will need 4 office organizers, 4 clipboards, 1 pack of flower petal wood shapes, craft sticks, diamond wrap, floral mesh from Amazon, gemstones from Walmart, 12mm pearls, glue gun, E6000, Home Collections gray floor mat, and finally Rust-Oleum silver metallic spray paint purchased at Walmart. We will begin this project with first arranging and assembling our beautiful topper for the nail polish storage unit. I used a total of 10 floral shapes, carefully layering them like a pyramid. The base contained 4, the next row 3, and so on. I glued them all together with hot glue, carefully avoiding glue mess on the surfaces of the wood because we will spray paint this arrangement. I am now removing the clips off of the clipboards. I love using the clipboards because they are so sturdy. We will now spray paint all of the boards. Although I spray painted both sides of each board, it was not necessary because we will glue together 2 boards to each other to make them even more sturdy and durable. I will now glue the mirrors on each board. We will now combine the mirrored boards together. I suggest using a very strong adhesive that is cured at least for 24 hours. I did not wait 24 hours and I had to repeat the process. And I secured the boards with craft sticks on the back, and I added weights at each end for added security. You will see, just keep watching. What you're looking at now was my first attempt. I protected the mirrors from the weights using these dry erase boards. After 24 hours of allowing the glue to cure, I now fit my floor mat to the back of the boards, and I will cut it to size and put it on the side until I'm ready for it. Diamond mesh will now be hot glued to the center and the borders of this unit. Just as a side note, this larger roll of diamond wrap that I'm using was purchased at Amazon. I purposely leave an overhang of diamond wrap at each corner of the board. In order for me to create smooth corners, I split the diamond wrap and glue them down as demonstrated. I actually like an overhang of diamond wrap around the entire board because I get more coverage quickly without having to cut too many pieces segment by segment, such as around the edges as you see here. I am so happy Dollar Tree now has these pearls. It is a bead and it has holes at each end. So what we're going to do is create an embellishment by putting one of the gemstones from Walmart on one end and gluing the other end to our floral mesh, which creates a beautiful embellishment that we will add to our topper and add a few of them to the board itself at the end of this video. But first, we will glue the topper to the unit. It is now time to glue the floor mat on the back of the unit. This provides a smooth finish that I love. To hang this nail polish organizing unit on the wall, I would use small nails and a wire because it is pretty heavy. And this would be a good time after gluing the mat to install the wire. I'm now going to glue on the pearl embellishments. They are so beautiful and add such a nice touch of class and elegance. I'm now installing my shelves, which are the office organizers, making certain that the seams are face down and that they are spaced apart evenly. Therefore, I measure in between each, using my Dollar Tree measuring tape. I'm using a dry erase marker to mark placement for each of my shelves. I will glue the shelves to the mirrors using E6000 and hot glue for an immediate hold. I will now put on the final embellishments. I will then clean off our nail polish organizing unit and put it on display.